Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Aave with Crypto.com easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Crypto.com app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your registration. After registering, verify your identity by providing the required documents. Once your account is verified, log in to the Crypto.com app. On the home screen, navigate to the Trade tab at the bottom. Select Buy to purchase cryptocurrency if you don't already have any. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount you wish to buy. Complete the purchase by following the remaining prompts. Now, navigate to the Wallet tab at the bottom of the app. Select the asset you just purchased to view its details. To start using Aave, you'll need to send your crypto to a wallet that supports Aave. Go to a wallet like MetaMask or another DeFi-compatible wallet. If you don't have one, create an account in the chosen wallet. Copy your wallet address from MetaMask or the DeFi wallet you've chosen. Return to the Crypto.com app and go back to your wallet. Tap on the asset you want to transfer and select Transfer. Choose Withdraw and then External Wallet. Paste your wallet address in the designated field. Confirm the amount you wish to send and complete the transfer. Once your cryptocurrency arrives in your DeFi wallet, access the Aave platform by going to the Aave website. Connect your wallet by clicking the Connect button. Select your wallet type from the list of options provided. Authorize the connection between Aave and your wallet. Once connected, navigate to the Deposit section on Aave. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit into Aave. Enter the amount to deposit and confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details and click on Confirm. After the transaction is confirmed, you will start earning interest on your deposited funds. Explore Aave's features, such as borrowing or leveraging your assets, to maximize your investment. Always keep an eye on your investments and stay informed about market trends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.